Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're going to do the ultimate office chair detail. Now, we just moved into our brand new Masterson's Car Care factory store, and I'm going to build a brand new podcast and filming studio right in the back. And I wanted to get a nice chair to do podcasts in, because sometimes we might be sitting there for a long time doing filming. So I wanted to get a chair that's comfortable, just to my liking. So I went and picked up an ultimate steel case chair. And I tried a lot of different chairs out there, and this is the one that really did feel amazing. I also didn't want a chair that was leather, because to me, I slide around on leather and I really like a cloth chair. So I picked out this amazing steel case chair. Look at that bend. This is truly an amazing bend. It's designed to make you feel very comfortable. But this chair is actually used. Now, I bought it from a big warehouse that actually has a bunch of chairs from corporations and big, huge, gigantic companies that buy hundreds or maybe even thousands of chairs. So they actually bought a bunch of these from a corporation that closed or went bankrupt. And actually, this one has like 0 miles on it. It's pretty clean. It's just been sitting around a warehouse. It's maybe been moved a couple times, but this one is looking fresh, and it's amazing blue color. I had a really hard time finding a blue one. I've had one of these chairs before in a dark gray color, but this blue one really sets it off. It reminds me of those 996 Porsche blue interiors. Those are really hot. Google that, check it out. Porsche makes a beautiful blue interior. It's like a dark blue, and it really does remind me of that. Now, this is an amazing chair. It has a lot of settings, and this thing's super comfortable, but I want to clean it up and get the chair looking good. I don't want to be sitting on a dirty chair that's been sitting around a warehouse. So me, as a detailer, I want to clean it up, get it looking good, but then most importantly, I want to protect the chair, because with detailing, it's all about cleaning and protecting. So we're right here at the Masterson's Car Care factory store, so we got everything here to detail. So what am I going to do? First, I'm going to do the Masterson Super Cleaner. Now, I already diluted this down about 10-1, and I'm going to use this to clean down the chair. I'm going to use this to clean all the plastics on the back and the bottom, and I'm also going to do a quick wipe down of this fabric. Now, a lot of chairs out there that are office chairs are leather. Leather's a great durable material, but it doesn't feel good like this. This feels amazing. This just amazing cloth material. You don't slide around, and it just feels so soft. I really love it. It contours to the body, and the cloth can get damaged very easy if you spill food on it, or if you have body oil from your arms or anything touching the seat. So I'm going to use a super cleaner to clean up the seat. And then after we use the super cleaner, I'm going to use the Masterson's fabric protectant. And this is going to protect all of the cloth. It's going to just be amazingly protected, or I can sit in it for a very long time, maybe even years, and it's going to stay protected. So let's get this going. Now, first thing I'm going to do is take a yellow microfiber and our super cleaner, and I'm going to gently go ahead and give this a good wipe down. Now let's turn on our sprayer on the spray setting. Now, I'm just going to spray the towel. The reason is because I don't want to spray the material. I just want to spray the towel. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently wipe down the fabric. Now, just that light spray on the towel is really doing a good job of cleaning the fabric. We're getting a little bit of dirt off, but like I said, this seat is really almost new. We looked at a lot of them, and my eyes can pick up defects on cars and dirt and swirls. So we went in there to a warehouse filled with chairs, and I was able to pick out the best looking one. I'm going to spray a little bit more on there. There we go. This super cleaner is amazing. You guys can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. The cool thing about the super cleaner is it works on everything, plastic, fabric. You're going to see right now, we're doing it on this office chair, but check out our other videos. We got videos using this on carpet, on plastic, on upholstery, on wheels, on engines. This is amazing because look, it's clear. There's no color, no scent. So it's not going to harm this office chair. But look, already by getting that dust off from sitting in the warehouse, it's already looking good. There's also some dust at the top, I noticed, from just sitting around. I'll flip it around so you guys can see it. Let's get it really close in there. Almost like dust at the top. It's already looking better. There we go. So we give the back a good wipe down. Our goal is we don't want to get it too wet. One thing about cleaning fabrics on seats or upholstery is you don't want to get it too wet. I don't like to use extractors, or what's called a carpet extractor. A lot of people might use a carpet extractor on this, where it puts hot water in and then sucks it out. But that can affect the soft feel, and this seat's brand new. I don't want to affect that. Plus, I like to treat my seats. I like to treat my equipment nice. I like to make sure it stays clean and I can use it for years. So I'm going to spray a few more sprays on the microfiber, and let's wipe down the bottom part right here, okay? Now I'm just going back and forth, just agitating the fabric. And this is fabric, it's not leather, so I want to make sure I take care of it. And just make sure I get that nice color back. There we go. Look at that. Color's already looking much better. Feels just slightly damp. Just slightly. I'm going to flip my towel over and just give it a good wipe with the dry side. And there we go. It's not wet. It's not soaking at all. It's just going to dry right now while I finish cleaning the rest of the seat. And let's move on. Now the back of the seat and the sides of the seat are plastic. So come down with me, guys. Let's actually clean this seat. So I'm going to take my super cleaner. I'm going to flip my towel over to a different side now. There we go. And let's spray the super cleaner on there. There we go. Let's give it a good wipe down. Super cleaner is amazing. Works on everything. And this is a nice chair. If you've ever seen one of these, brand new, they retail for over $1,000. So, I mean, I was able to pick one of these up at a smoking deal. I made the guy a cool arrangement. We were just chatting it up, and he said, hey man, if you buy some other stuff, I'll give you a deal on that chair. So we bought some other equipment, and I was able to get this chair, and this chair is just so nice. And look how nice it's looking. This thing looks like it's brand new, like it just came out of the box. That's super cool. There's a lot of dust. I see some other dust in this cracks down here, but that's cool. I'm going to open my microfiber. I'm going to make it thinner, and I'm going to push the microfiber in there. There we go. You guys probably can't see down there, but deep in there is some dust. So I'm going to try to take my microfiber and go like that. That's why I love microfibers. It's the best stuff. And we have a huge amount of microfibers. Check it out. Turn around behind. Look at all the microfibers we got there. We got a whole wall. So if you guys ever want to come down to our factory showroom, check it out. Also, all of these microfibers are available online on our website, mastersonswax.com. Go over there, check it out. Okay, there we go. We got one side done. I'm going to rip off this tag too. Now we'll know that it's been used. I'm going to put it in my pocket. If it was a car, I would have ripped it off right at the beginning, but we're not going to scratch anything with the tag here. It's just fabric and plastic and a little bit of rubber. So I'm going to take my towel. I'm just going to go ahead and clean the sides right here. There we go. And flip it over to a clean side and buff it off. Same thing with the tops up here. Give it a good wipe. There we go. There we go. Feels nice. There was like some grease like on this top, but now, this thing feels like brand new. That's amazing. Yeah, I actually didn't think it'd feel that good, but it feels amazing. Yeah, it feels, has that nice texture to it, when it's clean, because, our body oils, they leave behind, residue, and, body oils, man, they can really, leave plastic and rubber and vinyl feeling slick. Okay, so let's move around here to this side. I'm going to flip my towel over again, and let's do some more cleaning. Super Clean is great. Remember, this removes dirt, grime, and stains, and this is a great cleaner because it works on everything. It's great around the home. It's great around the office. It's also great on your car. My motorcycle, I use it on everything. If I could have one product around just for doing basic cleaning, basic maintenance, it would have to be Super Cleaner for sure. Amazing product. Okay, there we go. Let's try to find a little dry side. There we go. That's why I love the 4-towel fold. And check that out. That looks like brand new. Come in on that. That looks like brand new, isn't it? This chair, crazy. Now that we got that clean and we got this backside, give it a good wipe down. We're just going to here and give the legs a quick wipe. I don't have to give them that hard of a wipe because there's residual product in the microfiber. And remember, work smarter, not harder. Look, I'm not moving that much. I'm just turning the legs as we go. Okay, there we go. So now that I got this done, let's go ahead and do our fabric protectant. Now, right now, I'm going to use the fabric protectant, and this is what I'm going to use to protect the chair. Now, this is our Mastersons fabric protectant, and this is a true UV solar coating, stain repellent, and protectant. That's the coolest thing. A lot of other products, they might protect the product or protect the material or the chair or the fabric, but they might discolor the surface. Ours will never discolor the surface, and it has UV solar protection. That's the best thing. The UV solar rays are very strong, and whether you sit by a window, and if you even leave a chair next to a window, UV solar rays can creep in and literally degrade your chair. So if you want to have something last for years, if you have fabric that you want to protect, this is what you need, the Mastersons fabric protectant. Now we're going to go ahead and give it a good spray on here, and let's get that on this bad boy. Let's take the spray. Let's shake it up. You always want to shake up the product, make sure it's ready to go. And you're just going to give this a good mist all over the surface. So let's make sure this is on. There we go. And I'm just going to go ahead and give this light spray. Now notice my pattern. It's just very light spray. Very light coating. There we go. Okay. Now, if you have any extras, if you dripped any extras, you can go ahead and just give it a little light blot with a backside of a towel. Okay, there we go. And if you got it on any, the product on any type of plastic or rubber, go ahead and just give it a good wipe. It's not going to harm the plastic, but you don't want to let it dry on plastic, rubber, or vinyl. So I like to give it a good wipe. And now once the fabric protectant is on the office chair, I'm going to let this dry for a few minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to feel the difference, show you it's amazing on this chair, how it doesn't affect the fabric and it feels good. It's going to feel soft. We'll see you guys in about 20 minutes. We're going to let this dry, and then we'll see you guys when we come back. So we're back after about 20 minutes and our chair is dry. It's feeling amazing. This chair is now protected and ready to use all around the office, all for our filming. I love this chair. It looks so good and it's so comfortable. Remember, if you have a good chair, you want it to feel good. Just like in a car, you want the best type of chair that you can have. And remember, here at Masterson's Car Care, it's all about cleaning and protecting, not just cars, but everything: cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, watercraft. Our products work on anything and everything. Remember, today we cleaned our chair with our Masterson's Super Cleaner, the ultimate all-purpose cleaner, and then we finished it off with our Masterson's Fabric Protectant. So now our chair's clean and protected, and it's going to get some major use around the office because we really love to put out the best YouTube videos just for you guys. And I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all our videos right here on this channel. And if you like this video, remember, always come back, subscribe, check out our website, mastersonswax.com, and we'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.